Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Smart 6 HD, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. You need to begin by opening Play Store and installing your new food app. In my case, it will be Opera Mini browser. When you're ready, you don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and select Devices Settings. After accessing Settings, you need to scroll down and choose App Management. Then click on Default Apps and select one of those options. I will go with Browser App because I want to change my browser, so after that I need to set up Opera Mini by clicking on it and tap on the back button. As you can see now, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!